now for a special COVID segment, the good, the bad and the ugly. Here's the report.
Here's the good news on COVID-19. Zydus Cadila has tied up with Gilead Sciences but made the drug Remdesivir in India affordable. They have slashed the prices of the Remdesivir drug being called Remdac by Zydus Cadila from 2,800 rupees to 899 for a 100 milligram injection. Remdesivir was being used extensively in the year 2020 for ICU management of critical COVID patients. This will help amid the fact that there has been a surge of COVID-19 cases. Once again, affordable medicine will be available. But the bad news is that India could be staring at a vaccine shortage. Reports have suggested that the government has decided to put a temporary halt on the AstraZeneca vaccine exports. India has already exported about 604 lakh doses to 76 countries. The bulk of these exports come from the vaccines manufactured by the Serum Institute of India. India uses Covishield, which is also manufactured by the SSI. The government has said that there has been an offtake in the domestic demand and supply of vaccines, which is why this particular decision has been taken.
Here is the ugly news of the day when it comes to the pandemic. In spite of the government of India saying time and again that carelessness is going to reverse the gains that India has made in the past vis-a-vis the battle against COVID-19, people continue to be careless and people continue to flout rules and flout guidelines. In Maharashtra alone, a Shiv Sena corporator was seen throwing a party in which all COVID protocol was thrown completely out of the window. There was no social distancing, there was no masking up. A huge crowd had gathered in this particular bash that was thrown by this Shiv Sena corporator. Well, if you look at the election rallies as well, both the campaigners and those attending campaign rallies are violating COVID appropriate behavior, and this, experts say, is going to mean added headache in terms of new cases being reported in the next few days, given the fact that 4 states and 1 union territory is going to polls.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.